Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store for Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. So to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here let's try finding the game Call of Duty. It's a wrong thing. Pardon me. Again, Call of Duty, but there's no game that we're looking for in the search results. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings and enter Family. Here you can select parental controls and either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games. Type in your PIN and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and go back. Now we can try to find the game again and it should be on the top right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.